Yep, I got him. Oh, it's a nice bass, nice bass. Oh yeah, oh, it's a nice one. Oh man. Oh, check out that bass. Wow, look at that. Nice big hefty sized bass. Fish came on a bluegill chatterbait. That's a big fish, isn't it? We'll put that one back. Early bird gets the worm. Yep, I got one. Warm up fish. Oh yeah. Oh, nice bass. Good size. Yeah, oh, that's good size. Wow. Oh, nice bass. Black spinner. Don't lose it, don't lose it. I always lose them on a chatterbait. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, look at that bass. Whew. Oh, he smashed it. I got one. Man, how's that a black chatterbait? It's good size, good size. Come on. Oh, strong fish. I got it, cuz. I'm gonna lip it, unless it's really big. Oh, man. Oh, well, that's a good size. Nice bass. Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that. Black chatterbait. Man, that's a big one. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That is one hefty bass.